Hey, congratulations, you just got a brand new floor scrubber. So what we're gonna cover today is how to properly uncrate your machine and get it into service. So step one, you're gonna need a few tools today. We're gonna start off with a knife to get the shrink wrap off of the pallet. One of the things that you wanna notice and inspect when the machine first shows up is, are there any visible signs of damage? We intentionally wrap the machine in cellophane so that you can inspect and see if the machine's been damaged in shipment. Is there battery acid? Is the machine laying on its side? If there is any visible damage, please contact us immediately and we can give you the next steps. Step one, we're gonna remove the shrink wrap from the entire pallet. The next step is we're gonna remove two screws, one here and one here on each side of the uprights. You're gonna need a number 2 Phillips. Now that 2 screws have been removed, that frees up the ramp, but we need to remove these uprights. For that, safety first, you're gonna put on a pair of safety glasses, you'll need a mallet, and then also a pry bar crowbar. We're gonna go ahead and take off this upright and this one as well. So once the uprights have been removed, we're gonna fold the ramp down. If you notice, there's a ledge built into the pallet right here. So I want to make sure that the ramp is secured on that ledge so it supports the machine when we back it off of the pallet. So once we've dropped the ramp and secured it in place, we're going to go ahead and get the charger out of the way. We'll take it off of the pallet. This is a fragile piece of electronics, so make sure that you treat it kindly. Don't do this. So the next step in the uncrating process is we're going to go ahead and use a pair of side cutters, and we're going to remove some of the protective equipment used in transport, and also some of the things that are hanging on the handlebars. This unit comes with a daily and weekly maintenance guide, things that you should be doing before you scrub, after, and then also weekly and monthly. Please take special note that inside of the Kodiak sticker pack that was hanging on your handlebar is the main key for the unit, and there's also a spare key hanging just on the other side of the sticker pack as well. So before we turn the machine on and get it off of the pallet, we need to go ahead and remove these brackets that hold the unit secure while it's in transport. For that, you're gonna need a wrench, your impact wrench, and also a 7/16 socket. Now that that's been removed, we're gonna go repeat the process on the other side. So there's 2 keys that ship with each unit. This is intended to stay in the machine. This is a spare to keep in an office for safekeeping. Both keys are identical. Both will function to turn the machine on and off. So there's 2 things you want to make sure that you take care of before you try and get the machine off of the pallet. Number 1 is your squeegee is operated by this lever. You want to go ahead and lift the lever up. It's going to raise the squeegee off of the pallet. Item number 2 is your brush switch needs to be in the down position, which is going to raise your scrub deck off of the ground. Now we're ready to go ahead and pull the unit off of the pallet